Well, at least it's cooler here. We're into September now, Labor Day, and it's cooling off a bit. We have some clouds and showers around the area. This is radar over the last 3 hours, and you see over the last 3 hours, a lot of the rain has died off, but some rain has flared up again over Hidalgo County. But you see pretty much all of Starr County right now. Most of Cameron and Woolsey counties are all dry. So let me take you through a little radar tour here. We'll zoom in to some of that heavier rain forming in areas of Hidalgo County, and it's really just flared up over about the last hour, but you can see the heaviest rain near and west of Fayetteville and over Citrus City. We zoom in a little bit more, the heaviest rain northwest of Edinburgh, and most of this moving along pretty well, so you won't get a ton of rain. But if you look at the rain rates coming down, it's still coming down to about 2 to 3 inches per hour, so it's very heavy in that area of rain, but it's only should last maybe 20 or 30 minutes. But you see, if you're anywhere up kind of northwest side of Edinburgh, northeast of Citrus City, once you get out of most of the towns there in west of Fayetteville, the rain is coming down very heavily. Elsewhere, hardly anything going on. One little shower south of Rio Grande City, and that is mostly it. So any rain should continue through about sunset, and then we'll be back into what should be dry weather around most of tonight. So it has cool temperatures off. Check out temperatures. We are running mostly in the 80s now. Still 90 in Rio Grande City, but only 78 in Weslaco and 84 in Brownsville. So cooler out there thanks to the clouds and some rain. And this evening, again, maybe a couple showers, still that heavy area of rain west and northwest of Edinburgh through about sunset, but after that, mainly dry weather. It might be 1 or 2 showers tonight, but I think mainly dry and somewhat cloudy. Future Track's a little nuts on the rain. It has a mega blast of some red there on the map, which again is a little overdone, but kind of the right area, kind of from Hidalgo County westward early this evening for any rain, but then it flares off or dies off pretty quickly. Could flare up again tomorrow, though. You see Future Track already bringing some rain in just after sunrise tomorrow, and there may be areas of rain and thunderstorms and spots tomorrow throughout the day. So it's not going to rain all day, but it could rain really at any point tomorrow, kind of like today. Stuff just pops off, moves along, dies off. Something else pops off, moves along, and dies off. And then Wednesday, still maybe some showers or a couple storms in the area, but that's with a cold front coming in. You see Future Track has a cold front to the north moving into Texas on Tuesday. This isn't the super strong front that you would get in the wintertime, but as it comes through, probably Wednesday afternoon and evening, it could trigger some rain, and then behind it, a little bit of drier weather for Thursday and just a small drop in the temperatures and humidity. So we might stay in about the upper 80s or so for highs on Thursday, but the rain may try to come back at times on Friday and Saturday. 50% chance for rain Tuesday and Wednesday, and dries out on Thursday, but we could catch a few showers again by Friday. I want to show you a quick look in the tropics. Here is Hurricane Irma. Winds are 130 miles per hour. It could be moving west through the Caribbean all the way through the rest of the week, and then as it gets closer to us, this track runs out on Saturday, but should hook a right turn north into about the Florida area by the weekend, which is something we'll track for you more at 6. But tomorrow and Wednesday, still about a 50% chance for rain and thunderstorms. It should dry out on Thursday, but we could see some showers on Friday. But look, temperatures finally cool off. Highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s for a change coming up, and we'll keep tracking that cooler weather in the days ahead. Stay tuned.